Let's have a look at a sailor school bridge simulator, which is going to be torn down. Now this is one room. We got 3 more or 2 more of these rooms. And they all have like this panel here. And this one should have a throttle here and some more switches have been removed. Got some telephone. Says all of these will be removed from here, scrapped. And this system is based on Kongsberg's system for simulators. This is the actual bridge here. It should have been televisions here, or big monitors. Here's the rudder. See some power supplies in there. It should be a potentiometer at the end of this, the rudder here, not a encoder. So there's no screens. Some power cables in here. A nice circuitry. Some switch in there. Says all of these will be scrapped. Nothing will be left here. And here's where the teachers should have been. A bunch of monitors here. All televisions, some monitors here. So look at the back. A bunch of cables. There's some Samsung dual hinge. A TFT LCD. They look quite expensive, but they are a bit old. All of these will be dumped in a scrap bin. Gonna take some of those. This is like an archive. Nothing interesting in here. Some old projector. Here's where the monitors should have been. It's amazing. Look at all of these coaxial cables. Some BNC connectors on them. Look at that. That's a lot of coaxial cables. Sound signals. It's made by Nor Control. And this all is a special standard for these small panels. You can actually connect them in, can mount them in the housing of different cabinets. So all of these holes are the same, as well as those holes there and for that one. There's a control box. See, made by Kongsberg. So yes, I take some of this stuff here before it gets scrapped. Hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching.